So we are going to do illustration number 2. Now over here, pass necessary rectification entries to rectify the following journal entries written by Vandana. So Vandana has already written the journal entries. Now we have to rectify what she has written. Now, journal entries of Vandana, first one. Now, Rohan account debit. Now, you have to read the entry and you have to read the narration and then you have to check whether the entry is proper or not. If it is not proper, then we have to pass the rectifying entry. So, if there is an error, we have to rectify the error. Rohan account debit 6,000 to cash account 6,000. Now, see, the importance of narration comes over here. Many times you used to feel that, sir, why we have to write this statement? It's so boring. ये statement क्यों लिखना है सर? एंट्री आता है but narration लिखने का बहुत कंटाड़ा आता है. So narration is actually very important and it is part of the journal entry. So over here, being, we read the narration, being the salary of 6,000 of current month paid to clerk Rohan. Now we have paid salary of 6,000. So should we record the name Rohan over here? Should we record
No,
the name Rohan?
no.
No, sir.
What is the correct entry over here?
Salary account debit to cash account.
Cash. Very good. Salary to cash. So now we already have the wrong entry. So first let's write the wrong entry. Rohan account debit 6,000 to cash account 6,000. Now it's a wrong entry, so we have to reverse the wrong. So cash account which is credited will now be debited. So cash account debit to Rohan account 6,000. Now we have to combine reverse and correct entry. So I'll give some bit shade to it so that you know कि इन दोनों का हमें combine करना है. Give some lighter shade. Okay. Okay. Now correct entries. Correct entries, we paid salary, so name is not to be recorded. सैलरी अकाउंट डेबिट, हम नाम लोगों का कब रिकॉर्ड करेंगे? अगर किसी से कुछ पैसा लेना या किसी को कुछ पैसा देना बाकी है तब. So now reverse entry and correct entry we have to combine. What we can cancel over here? So उठा लो पेन और
Cash.
कैंसल कैंसल खेलते हैं. नाउ कैंसल करेंगे. कैश अकाउंट डेबिट 6,000, कैश अकाउंट क्रेडिट 6,000. लेट्स कैंसल कैश अकाउंट डेबिट देन कैश अकाउंट क्रेडिट कैंसल. सो क्या रह गया हमारे पास? हमारे पास रह गया सैलरी अकाउंट डेबिट 6,000 to Rohan account. So what's the process? We have a wrong entry which is given in the question. We reverse the wrong entry. Then we pass the correct entry. We combine the reverse and the correct entry. Now you may say कि सर अगर combine नहीं करे तो क्या? अगर हम कंबाइन नहीं करेंगे तो हमें ये दोनों लिखना पड़ेगा, दोनों एंट्री लिखना पड़ेगा टू रेक्टिफाई द एरर. But because there are common accounts between both of them, so what we do is we try to remove them and we pass a combined entry. So rectifying entry over here is a combination of reverse and correct entry. Reverse and correct entry. Now, in exam, you have to write only this part. Okay, you don't have to do this wrong, reverse, and correct in this format. This format is for understanding. Then you have to do all these things in rough. Okay. Now, second one, purchase account debit to Chetan account being goods of rupees 8,000 sold to Chetan on credit. Now, what's the correct entry over here?
Chetan account debit to
Chetan to sales.
चेतन अकाउंट डेबिट टू सेल्स, तो सेल्स को रिकॉर्ड किया एज परचेज. बहुत ही गलत कर दिया हमने, पूरा प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी हिल जाएगा इस बिजनेस का अगर ऐसा गलती हम करेंगे तो. बिकॉज इनकम को रिकॉर्ड कर रहा है एज एक्सपेंस, रेवेन्यू को ट्रीट किया एज एक्सपेंस, सेल्स को ट्रीट किया एज परचेज. इट इज अ वेरी बिग एरर. नाउ let's rectify the error. So we first write the correct entry. Okay, Chetan account debit 8,000 to sales account 8,000. Now, what is the wrong entry already given? Wrong entry given is purchase account debit 8,000 to Chetan account. Now we know it's a wrong entry, so we need to reverse the entry. So now Chetan account debit 8,000 to purchase account 8,000. Now we have to combine reverse entry and correct entry, but there there is Chetan account debit 8,000 and there is Chetan account again debit 8,000. तो दोनों डेबिट है तो क्या करेंगे चेतन अकाउंट को, प्लस या
Plus,
माइनस?
plus,
plus.
Plus. Very good. So Chetan account same sign plus opposite sign minus 16,000. So चेतन अकाउंट डेबिट ऐड कर दिया टू परचेज अकाउंट 8,000 and to sales account 8,000. So you may write to sales account and to purchase account also, or you can write to purchase to sale, doesn't matter. किसी को कोई डाउट हो तो प्लीज आस्क. Should I proceed? Okay. Now, third one, purchase to cash. Now ध्यान देना please. Keep calculator with you. purchase to cash 17280. Now over here, being goods worth 20,000, purchase at 10% trade discount and 4% cash discount. Now first of all, I would like you all to make a correct entry for this transaction number 3. Let's make a correct entry over here first. Then we have the wrong entry. So first let's make the correct entry. Now once again I'm reading the transaction. Goods worth 20,000, purchase at 10% trade discount and 4% cash discount. Now first tell me, is this a cash or a credit transaction?
Cash.
Cash.
कैसे पता चला ये कैश ट्रांजैक्शन है?
नाम नहीं दिया है और
Because sir name नहीं दिया है.
Very good, very good. Name is not given. Name is not given. So it is a cash transaction. So we have to calculate trade discount as well as cash discount. So let's do some working for this. Okay, if you are not confident, better do the working. So I'll do it somewhere over here. Purchases 20,000 minus 10% trade discount. So 2000. So we are left with 18,000 and then minus 4% cash discount. So 4% is 720. So what is the net amount? 17280 is the amount of cash paid. 18,000 is net purchases. So let's write the entry purchase account debit. Alright, writing working note. Please do the working note. So we write the entry, correct entry, purchase account debit 18,000 to cash account credit 17280 and to discount account 720. So do this working and do this working and write the correct entry. Now we have the correct entry. So let's write the wrong entry which is given purchase to cash 17280. So purchase account debit 17280 to cash account 7280. Let's reverse it. Cash account debit to purchase account. Now we have to combine the reverse entry and the correct entry. So I want you all to try the entry. Try combining the entry on your own. बहुत बढ़िया. Now over here let's combine. So let's see what is common. Cash account debit 17280. तो कैश अकाउंट डेबिट कट कर दिया, कैश अकाउंट क्रेडिट कट कर दिया, सेम अमाउंट ऑपोजिट साइन. नाउ purchase account credit 17280 and purchase account debit 18,000. So debit 18,000 may say 17280 we have to subtract because opposite sign. So we have to subtract. So let's write now purchase account debit 720 18,000 minus 17280 and 2 discount account 720. So this will be your rectifying entry. Okay, now let's go to the next one. Brokerage, fourth one. Brokerage account debit to cash account 10,000. Being the brokerage 10,000 paid for what? Purchase of building for business. So first tell me what is the correct entry? Brokerage
Building account.
Building account debit
Building account debit. Cash.
yes,
to
building
cash.
account debit 10,000 to cash account 10,000. Now what's the wrong entry already given? Brokerage account debit to cash account. Now I reverse it. So cash account debit to brokerage account. Now we have to combine. So while combining, what do we cancel?
Yes.
Yes, very good. We cancel cash account, so cash account debit, cash account credit, cancel. So we are left with what? Building account debit to brokerage account. Now, fifth one.
Sorta corso paso y cor
Cash account to Mayank account 3,500, 3,500, being the amount 3,500 written off as bad debt in last year received in current year from Mayank. सो जब ये बैड डेट हुआ तो हमने बैड डेट को डेबिट किया. अब जब उसका रिकवरी हो रहा है, पता नहीं कहाँ से नया आ गया और उसने हमें ये पैसा वापस दिया, 3,500 वापस कर दिया, तो उससे हमें लेना ही था जो हम भूल गए थे. तो यहाँ पे करेक्ट एंट्री क्या आएगा? व्हाट विल बी द
Cash account to bad debt return account.
bad debts return or bad debts recovery account? So let's write the wrong entry. Cash account debit 3,500 to Mayank account 3,500. Mayank account debit 3500 to cash account 3500. Correct entry. Cash comes in, cash account debit 3500 to bad debts return or recovery account 3500. So now we have Mayank account debit to cash as a reversal entry and cash account debit to bad debts return or bad debts recovery account. So let's cancel. So Mayank account. So Mayank account debit to cash account. So cash account credit, cash account debit, cancel them. What we are left with is Mayank account debit to bad debts return account. So here we write Mayank account debit to bad debts return account. Now sixth one, Bhavesh account debit to cash account being amount of 14,000 paid to Bhavesh for cash purchase. So should we record the name Bhavesh now? It is cash purchase.
No.
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 What's the
No.
Purchase account debit.
entry is purchase to cash. So let's write the wrong entry first. Bhavesh account debit 14,000 to cash account 14,000. We reverse it. So cash account debit 14,000 to Bhavesh account. Now we pass the correct entry purchase. नाम दिया है, but because cash word is mentioned, we don't have to record the name. It is a cash transaction. Purchase account debit to cash account 14,000. So now let's combine them. Cash account debit 14,000, cash account credit 14,000. So we are left with what? Purchase to Bhavesh. So purchase account debit to Bhavesh account. Purchase to Bhavesh. Transaction number 7. Important. Now, income tax to bank being amount of 18,400 of income tax paid by check. Now here it is in the books of accounts of Vanna. Vandana is a sole proprietor. For sole proprietor, what is income tax?
Drawings.
It is drawings. So correct entry should have been drawings account debit to bank but the wrong entry is income tax to bank. Amount is 18,400. So let's record the wrong entry first. Income tax account debit to bank account 18,400. Bank account debit, we reverse it, 18,400 to income tax account. Correct entry because it's the personal liability of the owner. It is personal expense of the owner paid from the business. So it is drawings. So drawings account debit 18,400 to bank account 18,400. Now we have the reversal entry, correct we have the correct entry. So let's combine bank account debit, bank account credit, cancel. So we are left with drawings account debit 18,400 to income tax account 18,400. Eighth, Rita account debit to purchase return. Market important please. ये सब रह रह के important transactions आ रहे हैं. Mark करो important. Rita to purchase return being goods of 12,000 underlined by Rita. So Rita ने goods return किया है recorded in purchase return book. So purchase return book तो goods goes out है but your goods are coming in. It is sales return wrongly recorded as purchase return in purchase return book. So we need to rectify this error. So let's write the wrong entry first. Rita account debit to purchase return. $1,200 $1,200. Now we reverse what is wrong. So purchase return account debit 1,200 to Rita account 1,200. Now correct entry goods of 12,000 returned by Rita of 12,000. So here the amount is also wrong. This amount, I'll circle this amount, and purchase return is it sales return is wrongly recorded as purchase return. So here let's write the correct entry. Goods are returned by Rita. So Rita account debit I'm sorry. So goods are returned by Rita. So sales return account debit 12,000 to Rita account. Rita is the giver. Credit the giver 12,000. Now we need to combine them. So we have purchase return debit, sales return debit, and Rita account credit, Rita account credit. So let's go one by one. Purchase return account debit 1200, sales return account debit 12,000 to Rita account. प्लस करेंगे या माइनस करेंगे?
Plus.
प्लस 13,200. 13,200. All of you understood? All of you understood this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now let's do the ninth one. Ninth, again, market important. Now, scooter account debit 20,000, to cash account 19,000, to discount account 1,000. Being amount of 20,000 paid after deducting 5% discount for the scooter purchased for personal use. Once again, I'm reading this. Scooter account debit 20,000, cash account 19,000, discount account 1,000. सो एक काम करते हैं, पहले हम जो रॉन्ग है, रिवर्स है, उसको लिख देते, बिकॉज वी ऑलरेडी हैव द रॉन्ग एंट्री गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन. सो स्कूटर अकाउंट डेबिट 20,000 to discount account 1,000 to cash account 19,000. Okay, scooter to cash and to discount. Okay, order is changed but doesn't matter. Now we reverse it. So cash account debit 19,000, discount account debit 1,000, to scooter account 20,000. Now, after writing this, you have to tell me the correct entry for scooter to cash to discount is the wrong entry, being the amount of 20,000 paid after deducting 5% discount for the scooter purchased for personal use. Can you tell?
Drawing account debit to cash 20,000.
No, that's wrong.
Drawings account to cash account 19,000.
ऐसे 19,000 क्यों 1,000 डिस्काउंट नहीं रिकॉर्ड करना है हमें रिकेन?
सर क्योंकि जो
आंसर
पर्सनल यूज के लिए लिया है ना, तो
हाँ,
ड्राइंग्स अकाउंट आएगा और डिस्काउंट माइनस होगा ही नहीं ना.
क्यों नहीं होगा?
सर पर्सनल यूज के लिए थोड़ी ना डिस्काउंट.
यानी तुम ये आंसर पे कन्विंस्ड हो? Yeah, you want some explanation on this? You want an explanation on this?
No, sir.
Okay. Others? खामोशी का मतलब मैं हाँ समझूं या ना समझूं? यह डेंजरस
No.
सिचुएशन होता है जब कोई जवाब नहीं देता है। क्या कहते हो? दीप बराबर है? हैरिकेन? नाउ सी, ध्यान दो। स्टिल मैं ऐसा मानूंगा कि तुम्हें कितने लोगों ने जवाब नहीं दिया, तो दे वांट टू नो कि हाउ द करेक्ट एंट्री केम। सो ध्यान दो प्लीज। नाउ ओनर है और बिजनेस है। नाउ वी रिकॉर्ड ट्रांजैक्शंस इन द बुक्स ऑफ बिजनेस। नाउ ओनर गया शोरूम में और उसने एक स्कूटर देखा। स्कूटर का प्राइस था 20,000, बट एज यू नो, लोगों को आदत है बार्गेन करना, डिस्काउंट डिस्काउंट डिस्काउंट। मे बी कोई स्कीम चल रहा था, तो डिस्काउंट डीलर ने 1,000 दिया। तो अब 19,000 पे करना है ओनर को, किसी डीलर को। तो ओनर ने क्या किया, खुद 19,000 पे नहीं किया अपने बैंक अकाउंट से, पर बिजनेस के बैंक अकाउंट से उसने 19,000 पे किया। सो फॉर बिजनेस ओनली 19,000 गोज आउट। ओनर को ये डिस्काउंट मिला नहीं मिला, इससे बिजनेस को कोई फर्क पड़ता नहीं है। अंडरस्टूड दिस?
सर,
हम्म।
सर पर इसमें तो ऐसा लिखा हुआ है कि बीइंग द अमाउंट 20,000 पेड आफ्टर डिडक्टिंग 5%, तो सर 20,000 ही आना चाहिए ना?
नहीं, 20,000 paid after deducting 5%, यानी you mean to say we have to go reverse working? No, 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 reverse working नहीं करना है। 20,000 paid यानी 20,000 was the maybe the bill amount, but we settled it for 19,000 and we have to pay 19,000. Okay, that is how I think you should interpret it. Tithi?
यस यस।
गॉट इट? कि 20,000 का स्कूटर था और 5% डिस्काउंट देके हमने 5% डिस्काउंट लेके हमने पे कर दिया, बट यहाँ पे ये स्कूटर वॉज फॉर पर्सनल यूज। तो ओनर बिजनेस में से कितना रुपीस गया? बिजनेस में से 19,000 गया। कौन लेके गया ये 19,000? ओनर लेके गया स्कूटर खरीदने के लिए, जो 20 का था, 21 का था, 25 का था, पर ओनर ने 19,000 बिजनेस से लिए। तो बिजनेस के लिए ओनर इज द रिसीवर फॉर 19,000 एंड कैश गोज आउट। गॉट इट?
यस।
So here we write the rectifying entry, sorry, we write the correct entry, drawings account debit, to cash account. Now let's combine. Cash account debit 19,000, cash account credit 19,000. So we are left with what? Drawings account debit 19,000, discount account debit 1,000, and to scooter account credit 20,000. So this is the rectifying entry: drawings account debit, discount account debit, to scooter account, to scooter 20,000, drawings 19, and discount 1,000. Is this done? Now, अगर मान लो, लेट्स गो स्टेज अहेड, अगर मान लो यहां पे वर्ड पर्सनल नहीं दिया होता तो क्या ये एंट्री करेक्ट होता?
Yes.
नो,
No.
नो। अगर ये पर्सनल नहीं दिया होता तो एंट्री आता स्कूटर अकाउंट डेबिट 19,000 टू कैश अकाउंट 19,000, तो भी ये डिस्काउंट रिकॉर्ड होता नहीं। नाउ यू विल से सर क्यों ऐसा? क्योंकि जब ये असेट क्रिएट करते हैं तो हम असेट वही अमाउंट से क्रिएट करेंगे जो अमाउंट हमने पे किया है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर हम बिजनेस पर्पस के लिए एक ऑफिस खरीदने गए, उसका प्राइस बिल्डर ने मुझे ऐसा कहा कि इसका प्राइस है 20 लाख, पर मैंने उससे नेगोशिएट करके 19 लाख में डील किया, तो मेरे लिए वो ऑफिस का कॉस्ट कितना हुआ? 20 लाख या 19 लाख?
19.
19 लाख। तो यहाँ पे मुझे वो डिस्काउंट रिकॉर्ड करना ही नहीं है, क्योंकि 19 लाख का बिल्डिंग आया, 19 लाख का अमाउंट दिया बाय चेक। ओके, लेट्स नॉट टॉक ऑफ कैश। ओके, आफ्टर डिमोनेटाइजेशन। सो 19 लाख का हमने चेक दिया एंड 19 लाख का असेट क्रिएट किया। बट मान लो इंस्टेड ऑफ परचेज ऑफ स्कूटर ये परचेज ऑफ गुड्स होता, तो क्या डिस्काउंट आता कि नहीं? कैश डिस्काउंट होता। तो अगर गुड्स होता तो यहाँ पे कैश डिस्काउंट होता, तो हमें उसको अलग से रिकॉर्ड करना पड़ता। अगर ट्रेड डिस्काउंट होता तो हम डायरेक्टली माइनस कर देते। गॉट इट ऑल ऑफ यू? इज द कंसेप्ट क्लियर नाउ?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now this sum is over. Similar sum is there in the exercise which I have already solved in my video lecture, which you have to do today as homework. But I would like you to first do this sum once again on your own. Okay, do it once again on your own. Go stepwise, try to understand the concept, go properly wrong, reverse, correct, and then rectifying. Okay, and then you go for the exercise sum. Now, although my lecture is there, I would like you to first solve it on your own, then watch the lecture and see whether you have done it correctly or not. If you have made some mistake in the lecture, the explanations will be there. Got it?